Yo, what's up guys, it's Bart Bregman here from IQOptionWiki.com with today another strategy tutorial. This is probably the easiest, simplest strategy I ever did in this channel. I'm going to do, but this strategy is good for binary options, it's good for learning. It doesn't It's not always correct because you need the exact right market for it. But what you can do is you can learn to look at markets, and that's why it's a very good strategy to practice your binary option trading when you're just starting out. Let's get to our website here, IQOptionWiki.com. We'll put a link in the description about this article. It's a short guide. I will put my video below this article as well, put a link in the description. So this strategy is about the SMA indicator, the simple moving average, very easy to use, very easy to set up, and whatnot. What we're going to look at is the trend reversals. And then when the candlesticks are crossing the SMA, that's going to be our entry point. And we can determine in high volatility markets very well signal for 1 minute or 2 minute binary option trading. Yeah, let's get into the IQ option platform. Let's get started with this to find you guys a good example. So now in the IQ option platform, you're gonna first set your to 1 minute, and also change interval automatically. Switch that off because we don't want that. It's very annoying when you zoom in, zoom out, that your candlesticks chart changes. After that, go to indicators. Take the moving average, set it up on 10. Use the SMA, the simple moving average, red line, thickness, thick because it doesn't really matter. Apply. And now what we're looking for with this indicator is a very volatile market. That means that the market is shooting up, shooting down, shooting up, shooting down, shooting up, shooting down very aggressively. And you need to identify that a little bit by practicing. That's why I would say open a demo account, buy our website, you get a free demo account, and you can start practicing that. What you need to know is that the moment when the candlesticks are very far away from the moving average, and then after a while they're going to return, they're probably going to return very hard and going to smash through that, and that will be our entry point right here. And if you open a 1 minute trade, that will be a good moment to enter that. Then it shoots back down, and you see here it's very far away from the moving average again, and the trend reverses, and then this would be your entry point here. And then it hits it a few times, but it's not far away from the moving average, so this will be a no trade zone. But then you see here it's very far away from the moving average again, and that will be a nice entry point again there. Then we have a little bit of downtrend. Then you see here again, it's very far away from the moving average, and then again it creates a beautiful entry point right there. Same as here. And then we go down again, it's very far away from the moving average, and it creates again a beautiful entry point. You see here, it's very far away again. Keep saying the same thing, huh? And then it creates a beautiful entry point. And the last one here, another entry point. So that's a little bit how you can follow the trend and how you can identify that. The market needs to be right for this strategy. That's the main point. because you want these high spikes up, high spikes down, high spikes up, the aggressive market. Most traders try to avoid those markets, but that's why I say it's such a good tool to learn about volatility, because you're going to understand, okay, this is not a volatile market, this is a volatile market, and that's how you're going to identify markets. So now let's try a few live examples if we can find some, and make a good entry point and maybe make some money. So now I open a few charts and to see if we can find the correct volatility, the correct pattern that we are looking for. That's what I say for this strategy. The market needs to be right, and maybe sometimes you have to wait a little bit to find the correct entry point, but trading is a waiting game. You want that a little tiny correct point to go in, and that's why I'm going to speed up the time a little bit, look at some charts left and right, and see if we can find the correct entry point. So let's get started. So there we had a few examples. Keep practicing this. It's very good for identifying high volatility markets, and identifying that long trending markets will not work with this strategy. And so you can identify different markets. So that's a good strategy to practice this. That was it for this video. Like and subscribe for the next video. And thank you for watching. Peace out.